All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on undo send. Have you ever sent out embarrassing emails that you wish you could undo? Well, there is a feature in Gmail that gives you the ability to undo an email that you just sent out. So let's say that you sent out a message to your boss by accident with foul language or a dirty video. Here's a way that you can undo that without having to freak out that you sent out the wrong message. So let's take a look. I'm going to go to the wheel here and we're going to click on settings, and you can see right here undo send, send cancellation period, 5 seconds. So I'm going to set this to 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to make sure I save this. Okay, there we go, we saved it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to compose a message and I'm going to send it to myself. So let's do Werner Josh. There we go, it saved my message here. Okay, this is a test for undo send. Okay, let's hit send. Sending, sent, message sent. Undo, view message. Let's undo it. No message sent out. You see how it brought it back? No worries. So what is this trick? What is the point of this trick? Well, the point of this trick is to show you that even if you send out a bad message, there is a way to undo it, and there is a way to stop yourself from doing dumb things if you accidentally did them. So with that in mind, that's all I have for this video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.